In today's video, we are going to be looking at another Excel error known as the value error, which always pops up while handling data. So the value error in Excel occurs when a formula has the wrong type of argument or operanda. It often appears when Excel cannot interpret the data you're trying to use in a formula. Now, here are some of the major causes of this value error. The number one is you typing a text in a number formula. That is, if you decide to text in a mathematical operation that expects numbers, you get a value error. Another one is having incorrect argument types, that is using the wrong type of arguments in a function can trigger this error. Another one is the array formula issues. That is, if you are using array formulas, any inconsistency in array sizes can result in a value error. Another one is space or empty strings. When you have unexpected spaces or empty strings in your cells that are parts of a formula. That is, when you're probably typing a formula and then you put an excessive amount of space, it can give you this value error. So we're going to be looking at one way, one of the methods of having this value error. Okay, so I need to type in data and 10. So this is actually an incorrect argument type. How do I mean? If I multiply this data that is in text with 10, is an incorrect argument type and it's supposed to give me a value error. So exactly, so there you have it. This is an incorrect argument type. I'm using the wrong type of argument in this function and it has just triggered this error. So all you have to do is just to probably look at what is causing that error. I listed a number of things that can lead to that error. So you just have to look at what is causing it and then you change it and then you get rid of your error. So that's it for this video. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, or share.